I'm gonna have to finish the wiring when we get finished moved, because I really don't have any tools to do this with. I borrowed those from work. But this is one of those Chinese heaters. I originally was gonna mount it going out, but then I noticed I could actually go through my wheel well and it would still clear my tires. Yada yada. It's on right now. You can feel the heat. Freaking really cranks it out. Runs off diesel. You can hear the air intake. I'll pipe that in or secure it later. Exhaust. It's really, really hot exhaust. I mounted a fuel tank up front. So, yeah. It's pretty slick. Puts out a ton of heat on high. You got your little thermostat. Don't get the cheap ones. I mean, they're all cheap. I think this thing was 150 bucks, but it came with a lot of accessories. If you go super cheap, all you'll get is the unit and none of the pipes and some of the accessories. It's a pain in the ass to do. The instructions suck. There's better luck just YouTubing videos of guys that literally put these things in suitcases to run outside of their vehicles that they camp in. But obviously we're not doing that. But yeah, pretty freaking slick.